Assalamu alaikum. This is Akif the one from Brothers English. Today we're gonna try some challenges in this football field. Okay, so first we'll start with penalty kick. Okay.
I'll put it slowly. I'll put it slowly, but using some techniques. Okay. Let's see. Let's go in 0-0. Okay, you shoot it 2 penalties, 2-0. This is my turn now.
We take it up quickly. It went like this from here. So it was a kubri. So
He made an extremely great goal, and it's my turn. So the score becomes 1-1. Okay, and he has shooted 4, and now it's my turn. Then for me it will be 4. Okay.
okay. The last one, okay, for me. So try it. We can get it. Oh! I can't even lift out of it.
It's my turn. Oh, wait, back. Okay, right. So the penalty shootout has done, and my brother has won the match. Then, so let's start something new. He will pass me from there, okay? Then I will shoot in the goal. Let's see how many shoots I can correctly put in the goal. First one is goal, but I didn't put much energy. That's how I didn't put this goal. So now I will try to put more power, and let's see what happens.
Pass to me.
Pass, okay. Okay.
Power shot.
This was a really nice power shot.
Yeah, this was a power shot, okay.
Winning the ball, the last one, okay? Now, let's see the last one. The next challenge is really amazing, so stay tuned till the end.
Whoa, this was... Oh my god. So, now we're gonna get a very interesting challenge. So in this challenge, we'll try to get the ball. We'll try to put the ball in the goal from here. Then from this line, okay? From this line, then from this line,
And the next
is from there. From the center of the map field, okay?
From here, we're gonna shoot.
Okay.
So
We'll start from the beginning. So let's get started.
From here, okay? Aki will shoot 1, and then I will shoot.
Okay.
Go, bring it, Aki.
Oh, it's okay. So like what if I tell? It is great, okay?
Now from here.
Now from
Here.
here. Okay, I'll try now.
Shoot. Oh, not goal. Surprisingly, this is not goal. Bring the ball.
It would be goal. Shooting like a Neymar. Oh, it was great. I did it.
So the score is 1-0.
Okay.
Now, look how far it is. Now shoot.
Maybe I can have this.
Oh, goal.
It was like corner. It went to like corner of the goal post. Okay, goal bar. So we'll try out of. So we'll try from the here. It is the hardest one.
Okay,
So let's try.
let's try it.
Okay. So this is the hardest one. Okay, in our challenge. So let's try it.
So I decided that it was very easy for Akif, so I decided to shoot from this place, not from the center. Okay. Ready. Let's see what happens if I shoot from here. Okay, 1, 2, and
It was like it was. Where is it? It was very easy for me. What?
I'm really sorry you went to Bangladesh instead of the boat.
How did it do it? He should just straight and it is slowly, but he thought he should.
I'd like to request Akif if he wants to give me another chance, I can try.
Okay, you can try another.
Okay, here she's a new opportunity to shoot again. So let's see now what I can do.
So thanks for watching, and we'll be back again. And bye. I love it.